As you can see, I'm a very healthy man. You're probably asking yourself, how did that man get to be so healthy? I got 2 words for you. Hydration. A healthy man like me doesn't drink just plain water. My water's fortified with nature's sunshine Solstic. Solstic is a line of convenient, great-tasting supplements that I add to my water. Everyone needs to supplement their vitamin and mineral intake. I do it with Solstic 24. With 100% daily value of 13 vitamins plus minerals, Solstic 24 is a delicious, great-tasting way to get 24 hours of nutrition. As a result, I get healthier with every single drink I take.
You gotta get up and boogie with this honey. Yeah. You gotta find that boogie.
50.
Okay, that's good.
51. A healthy man needs to be active, so I need lots of energy. Whether I'm pulling an all-nighter at work, rescuing a baby from a well, or doing an incredible number of one-arm pull-ups, my Solstic energy keeps me going strong. This low-cal, high-power energy booster features natural guarana, green tea, and B vitamin. And there's no sugar, so I don't have to worry about a crash.
Hey.
Not healthy.
Move that boogie side. Yeah. It's okay. Move that boogie side.
Tasty.
Come on, pick it up, pick it up.
Yeah.
Take it down, take it up.
Your blood pressure is perfect.
Of course it is. I use Solstic Cardio. This is a serious supplement that includes pomegranate, vitamins K2 and D3, and resveratrol. But the biggest heavy hitter in Solstic Cardio is the 5 grams of L-arginine per packet. They do wonders for my heart and vascular health. Let me also tell you a little bit about how Solstic Cardio can help your romantic life. Never mind. You can figure that out on your own.
He is so healthy.
Fortify your water and your health with Nature's Sunshine Solstic 24 Energy and Cardio. And you can look for more great Solstic products on down the trail. Drink healthy. Yeah!